Steven Spielberg waited over 10 years after being given the story of the Schindler's List to make the film, as he felt he wasn't mature enough to take on the subject. Graphene is pure carbon in the form of a very thin, nearly transparent sheet, only 1 atom thick, and is the world's strongest material. It's 1 million times thinner than paper, but is 200 times stronger than steel. According to the Guinness World Records, as of 2015, the world record for long-distance archery is held by a Paralympic, armless archer, Matt Stutzman. A moment is actually a medieval unit of time equal to 90 seconds. There are 40 moments in an hour. The Taxi Fabric project in Mumbai, India lets upcoming designers royfulster and completely transform taxi cab interiors. George Hotz, then 17 years old, was the first to unlock a first-generation iPhone and sold the iPhone for a Nissan 350Z and 3-lock phones. The first ever 3D feature film was called The Power of Love and premiered in 1922 in Los Angeles. Unfortunately, the 3D version of the film is presumed lost and the 2D version was later shown under the name Forbidden Lover. In 1859, English settler Thomas Austin released only 24 rabbits onto his property in Australia, stating the introduction of a few rabbits could do little harm and might provide a touch of home. In addition to a spot of hunting, by the 1920s the population of rabbits in Australia reached 10 billion. Dragonflies are one of the most efficient killers in nature, capturing their prey more than 95% of the time. According to Bill Murray, the 2004 Hong Kong comedy movie Kung Fu Hustle is the supreme achievement of the modern age in terms of comedy. There are languages without the terms left, right, front, and behind. These cultures use north, south, east, and west their whole lives, no matter if they are in their home or in the woods. The result is a compass brain. They always know how they are oriented.